So approximately once a quarter, students will come home and have a student-led parent conference. Now, the purpose of this is twofold. One, I want students to really stop and self-evaluate. How am I doing? What am I doing that's making me successful? What do I need to do because I need to be more successful? If they're already working as hard as they can, things are going great. I just want them to feel encouraged to keep up the work and the effort, and think about sharpening the saw, which is one of our 7 habits that we look at when we talk about 7 habits of highly effective teens in our building, and that they really need to renew themselves and not feel burnt out by Christmas. So this is, again, going to come home with your student about once a quarter for them to self-evaluate, how am I doing? And they will have either already completed this or complete it with you when they get home. So they'll look at their grades, they'll look at how they're doing in algebra or in 7th grade advanced math, and really write some thoughts. Then what will happen is they will go over their grades and their thinking and their self-evaluation with you. And there's a place for you to after your conversation, and after some evidence that they will have with them from class, really talk about how are you going to help them, how are you going to support them to either improve, continue at the same level they are because they're successful and you're proud of them, and plus you just need to be in the know, so to speak. You need to know where they are in these classes, what they're doing, how they're doing. You know, this is not meant for our class time apart from you to be a surprise, to be a secret. I want you to be informed and well informed, which is why they will always bring their assessments home for you all to look at, talk about, have them signed. And this paper, once you fill it out, will be signed and brought back to me. It's also a way of you and I communicating. If you have anything that you're questioning or you're concerned about, then this is the perfect opportunity, and it's easy for you to communicate with me. Plus, I'm always available through email or phone call. But again, this is just another method of keeping the communication lines open between you and your student, you and me, your student and me, and for everyone to really stop about once a quarter and evaluate, how is this going? How is what we're doing working? And do we need to tweak it? Do we need to keep doing what we're doing? Does your student really deserve a big congratulations and some sort of sharpening the saw? You know, so I hope that you enjoy these parent conferences. Again, with standards-based grading, sometimes it's a little funny to sort of figure out what all this means early on. And again, this is another way for you and your student to really get a grasp on what it means to do standards-based grading in math class.